Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. For this tutorial I used 3 stitches for separation, and for the pattern we need to have 11 stitches, but it's up to you. If you want to use more stitches for separation, you can use it, but make sure for the pattern in between you need to have 11 stitches. What we have to do, let me take my needle. I used this yarn for this tutorial. I'm in the wrong side of the work. You can start by use any kind of start or edge you like, but let me just show you how the pattern looks like. As I told you, I'm in the wrong side. I'm going to just knit 3 and pull 11. Then just knit again as a edge. So this is the setup row for me, but you can start the pattern. As I told you, you need to have 3 pull, 11 knit a stitch and 3 pull again, but you can choose more separation. What you have to do here, for the first row we are going to just pull these 3. When it comes to that 11 stitches, I'm going to take the first 5 like this, knit together. Before I take it out, I'm going to yarn over, knit again, yarn over, and knit one more time. So it means again I have 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one in the middle, I'm going to just knit 1. When it comes to the next 5, again I'm going to take all 5, knit together, yarn over, knit together again, yarn over, and knit together. So again I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's come to the separation between. I pull 3 stitches. Row 2 for the pattern, we are going to just knit whatever it is, like knit, and then when it comes to that 11 stitches, we are going to just pull all stitches like that. For this pattern you need to repeat only 4 rows. Row 2 and row 4 just normal knitting, and you have to do the pattern in row 1 and row 3. Now we are in row 3. What we have to do, we are going to just pull these 3. When it comes to that part, what I have to do, I'm going to knit 3 stitches, the first one. Then I'm in the middle of the pattern, because this pattern now it has time to come in the middle. It means that we are going to take these 5 stitches, knit all together. Before I take it out, I'm going to yarn over, knit one more time, yarn over, and knit one more time, like that. Now I have 3 stitches left. Just we are going to knit these 3 and then the separation, like that. Row 4, as I told you, what you have to do, you are going to just knit the stitches like the one is pull, pull, the one is knit, knit. This is the back side and front side. As you can see here, it means that we are the time to repeat the pattern like row 1. It means this time we are going to take these 5 stitches again, knit together, yarn over, knit together, yarn over, knit together, and then just only knit 1. We repeat for the next 5. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and 4. Let me just finish the next row to show you how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you look at the pattern here, you can see this pattern. For the first row is here, the next row in the middle, now again on the side. This is the time to make it again in the middle. It means you are going to repeat row 3 by knit the first 3, take the 5 stitches in the middle, knit 3 and repeat. If you repeat the row 1 to row 4 after few rows, your pattern should look like that. That which you can use it for any kind of pattern or project you like. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a great day.